After years of training and preparation, Hōkūleʻa and Hikianalia left Oahu for Hilo, their final port before departing Hawaii for the Worldwide Voyage, but not before a brief delay.
Waiting's not bad, waiting is smart. And what waiting does is creates time, you need to use it effectively and meaningfully.
And making meaningful decisions applies to the very reason for Hilo being the final point of departure from Hawaii.
Hilo is the easternmost point of the Hawaiian Islands, and because we need to gain easting, because Tahiti is further east than Hilo, it just makes sense that you depart from the easternmost point of the Hawaiian Islands, and that's why we picked Hilo.
The time spent in Hilo was also a time of making connections.
The whole process of a voyage is community engagement. There's a lot of opportunity for people just to come down, to talk, to look at the canoes. It's just a very, very warm community feeling. We're nurtured by this community and we are welcomed here by them.
Hilo's own Hālau Kekuhi brought a priceless gift to the voyage with the aha maweke and aha ho'akua to prepare both the va'a and crew spiritually.
He kupono a he koʻikoʻi ka ke kalele ana maluna o ka pilina o ka va'a a me ke kanaka. I ka o manao, o ia ka haawina nui o ke ia a puʻaia puni ana i ka honua. O ia kule ana hoʻokahi. O ka malama ana i ke rā pilina o kākou.
The ceremony was a good time to reflect on the purpose of this voyage, and then to put ourselves in that mindset of leaving.
For me, this is the kind of the culmination of all my training. I have trained my whole life for this moment in time. Right there, we're performing in front of like the elements, akua. It's like for real.
And one of the crew's greatest mentors has given his nod of approval.
So again, I recognize it, I see it, I've been here before. This is a good crew. The power of the voyage is in the challenge, and there's going to be challenges every single day for the next 3 years. And it's our ability to get through them that we get stronger.
You know, for myself, it's such an honor to be amongst these people.
Only 48 people sailed this route in the last 39 years, and 29 will sail it now. We'll go. Never say goodbye to your homeland. We'll see you soon. It's time to go.
E nā holokai puni honua, ke aloha ia'u koa pau a ho'i pale kana mai no I ka aina nei. O wau no keio Amy Kalili no Oiwi TV, home of the Worldwide Voyage. Sail along with us at hōkūleʻa.com.